everybody, this is Andy from Experimental Human. Welcome back. Since the last video we've grabbed some solar panels and we've connected on a voltage regulator to make sure that we're getting 12 volts DC from the panels. I then grabbed some 12 volt DC PC fans from the internet and we boxed up the fans so that we can try and drive air through our solar heater array. The first design of the box didn't work very well, so we put the fans in series to try and drive up the pressure. We created two boxes, one to drive air into the array and the other to suck air from the array. We've dropped in some temperature probes and we've connected up to the array, and now we're just waiting for some sunshine. The weather forecast for the next few days in the UK is rain, so that means we're probably going to have to wait for a few days, and as soon as I've got some sunshine and some results to share with you, I'll post them up. Watch this space. In between times, I've come up with a new heat pipe design. It's easier to build, simpler to connect, and with a bit of luck, easier to maintain. The new array has 8 heat pipes, so with a bit of luck we'll be able to extract more heat from it. I've been building the manifold and insulating it. I'll post up more information on the new array as soon as I've finished building it. Hope you've enjoyed this little update. In between times I've also created a Facebook page. Please have a look at Experimental Human, and likewise on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe.